Hello and welcome to the first video of my new series Getting Started with ReactJS. Now, this has been highly requested because even though ReactJS has been there for quite some time now, a lot of people want a whole tutorial where we will learn how to create a CRUD application because of course right now we're always creating CRUD applications with no backend but just a front end which is React or Vue or Angular, but we'll go towards building with this popular framework called ReactJS. We'll go through how to build a CRUD application, we'll go through the basics from start, and we'll also cover how to write unit tests for ReactJS. Since this tutorial covers everything, I'll start from the absolute basics, which will be the installation and setup part. Now, the installation and setup part is very easy because of course you can write code in ReactJS in any machine, be it Mac, Windows, or Linux machine. And all you need are three things. You need an IDE, which could be VS Code or WebStorm. WebStorm is not usually free, so I'm just going to be going with VS Code. And you need to install Node in your machine and also install Yarn Package Manager. Now let's get started with the installation. First of all, the IDE. That could be anything of your choice. We'll be going with VS Code because that's free and you can find the binaries of it in its documentation, and you just have to follow the instructions to download VS Code for your machine. I'm going to be going through this tutorial in my Mac OS machine, so everything that we'll see, all the installation instruction will be Mac specific. But of course, if you want Windows specific instructions or Linux specific, it's very easy. Everything can be done through the terminal in Linux. So all you have to do is just install Node or NVM in your Linux machine. But for Mac, all you have to do is install Brew, and with Brew, all you have to run is brew install Node. And for Windows machine, you can just go to their official documentation and just download the exe file, the MSI file for Node.js. The next thing you need is Yarn Package Manager. Now, Yarn Package Manager is also very easy to install, and this will be the package manager that we'll be using throughout our app. So all you have to do is just npm i-g yarn. Now, yarn is already installed into my machine, so I don't have to do it anymore, but all you have to do is just run this command and then you're good to go. That's about it for the installation. In the next video, we'll be jumping right into understanding the syntax of React, which is JSX syntax.